The clock app on your iPhone should work properly, as well as the services that come with it. However, some owners of the iPhone XS have reported that the alarm system on their devices are no longer working after the iOS 13.3 update. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if the alarm no longer works on iPhone XS after the iOS 13.3 update. First solution: force restart your iPhone. If this is the first time that you encountered this problem, then odds are that it's just a minor firmware issue. Most of the time, such a problem can be fixed by simply doing the forced restart. Here's how you do that. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see if the alarm is now working properly. Second solution: set a new alarm. Setting an alarm is a no-brainer, but there are times when things go wrong however simple they are. To rule out this possibility, try setting up a new alarm and see if it still won't work. From the home screen, touch the clock app. Tap the alarm icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, set an alarm and save it. If the alarm still won't sound off at a designated time, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: reset all the settings on your iPhone. This will bring your iPhone settings back to their default values. Most of the time, if the problem is just due to some incorrect settings, this procedure will fix it, and here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down to find General and then tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the alarm is still not working. Fourth solution: factory reset your iPhone. If the previous solutions failed to fix the problem, then you need to reset your iPhone. This will fix the problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.